told you at the start that they call him the crown prince of reggae. Today is his birthday. It is the start of reggae month, and I think we lost him at 49 years old. Outstanding Jamaican artist, outstanding singer. And we've invited some friends because we're going to do a little karaoke. So first thing first, karaoke means bring your own key kind of thing, right? So the people who can sing shouldn't be here, and these people can sing. This man back up all big artists and foreign and all kind of thing, and I can't sing. But I went done them this morning. Make a deal with it.
What? You say walk up? Confidence.
I'm afraid. Come behind me. Backup singer. Come behind.
Confidence.
All right, backup singers, ready?
All right. Karaoke style. So my song is Little Green Apples. It was originally done by O.C. Smith.
Okay.
And Dennis Brown made it popular. Christopher Martin did an outstanding job. So I freed it.
So here comes Neville with his version.
You got this, Nebs. Come on, you have it, man. Ready? Hey.
Oh, I wake up in the morning.
Pull up. Dennis, what I please.
Well, come back out and pay, come back in. Yes, and I'm money done.
Goodbye.
Okay, we'll pick it up from where it stopped.
Yeah. She reaches out, takes my hand, kisses it and says, how you doing, hon? And I look across at smiling lips that warms my heart and sees my morning sun. And if that's not
Loving me.
then all I've
Got to say.
God did make little green apples. It don't rain in Indianapolis in the summertime.
Summertime.
No such thing as Dr. Seuss, Disneyland and Mother Goose. Ain't no nursery rhyme. Jah did make the little green apples. It don't rain in Indianapolis in the summertime.
Summertime.
Oh. And when my face aglow and ease my mind. Yeah, I don't know. Thank you very much, Stacey.
Encore.
Well done, sir.
Look at my money. I feel good a while
To
ago.
vote for Neville, call
555 555 no. And if you're out of town, just add one. Anyway, in I number. Put
Who's
it
money in
anywhere.
my pocket?
Christopher?
No?
I'm not money in my pocket either. I would like some, but I'm not money in my pocket.
Who have money in my
I don't know. Somebody go do it, no?
Who is Love and Hate?
Love and Hate,
I chose,
no man,
Lovers
it's
Found
here
This
I come.
Way.
It's not me. Do not put the camera on me because it's not me.
Lovers Found This Way.
Yes, here I come. That's right.
Don't know you, Debbie? Love and Hate,
That
can
is-
we be friends?
That's
That's
oh,
it
no.
starts.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Debbie don't know how it starts. She doesn't know it from the ear. I'm not well.
Ladies and gentlemen.
No, Debbie says, it's not my son. That is here I come, I answer.
Ladies and gentlemen, performing for the first time on Smile Fest. Here's Debs.
This not done.
Good morning.
Not done.
Just want to say a special morning to Marla Brown and the entire Brown family who are watching. Love and hate can never be friends. Oh no. Oh no. Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of my life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For there'll come the day when you'll be whipped by the Father's hand. Live up, Rasta children. Whoa. of Rasta children. Yeah, my head is anointed and my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of my life. Yeah. Whoa. Where's the whoa, whoa, whoa? Whoa. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Live up Rasta children. Live up roots children. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll be here all morning. Thank you.
As I said, karaoke is for not for the people who can't sing and she can't sing.
Them never invite me to the rehearsal and then one man me up. Me not like it. Okay, now the words them can't find for this. I'm going to laugh and not laugh.
And for the second time on Smile Fest, here is Dolls.
See them there. Okay.
Love, 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 love. Oh, yeah. If I follow my heart, ooh, I'm gonna love you. And if I follow my tears, ooh, I'm gonna leave you. But if I follow my eyes when it's crying time, I'll be crying too. But if I follow what Mom says, boy, we'll be true. Me not pay them, me not pay them. Oh, we'll be true. Yeah, them a party. I follow my heart. Oh, I'm gonna love you. And if I follow my tears, oh, I'm gonna leave you. But if I follow my eyes when it's crying time, I'll be crying too. But if I follow what Mom says, boy, we'll be true. We will be true.
We will be true.
If me pay them $1, them not come and no rehearsal and don't know the song.
Damien, oh my God, listen, me tell you, done the play.
They not come and rehearsal.
Encore, money
Them
pull
not
up.
know the song.
So, the final artist.
Them got some fest. Joe, and me wanna come. Me not carry them.
That's okay, Joe.
Sorry, Neville. Go on.
That's okay, Joe.
The final artist this morning is of international repute.
Correct.
He has worked.
No, but we have international to people watching a Cayman, not that.
No, I say him is of
No, them
international.
people watch me a Cayman. Wow.
He have international people, but him is an international too. Here is Chris.
God, never. I don't play with international.
You get the big tune,
Okay.
Yes.
I'm not nervous.
It's start already.
Love has found its way in our hearts today. Yeah. Love has found its way in our hearts today. When your love is beautiful, there is nothing that can go wrong. When When two hearts beat together, it's like an everlasting song. It's like an everlasting song. The moon shines bright over yonder, yeah, and it makes me feel so fine. I'm so thankful, baby, that Jah has made you mine. I'm so thankful that Jah has made you mine. 'Cause love has found its way.
Never just ask me and never get the support. Never come and rehearsal.
It's a bad man.
Never come and rehearsal. And every time we have a Joe, all the three we are come. Never is not coming.
But it was you alone. No, you see, you don't know.
No, I'm sure with Chris. You said Chris is not this. I'm going home. Dennis Brown.
Yeah.
Got to love him.
For bookings, call 926-1100. For Christopher.
Yeah,
Or 9914. Oh, that's Crime Stop. No. Wrong number.
Or 555-00.
That's right.
And remember, from your out of town, add one.
That's the one.
And put it anyway, 9. You will get me.
Happy birthday, Dennis Brown.
Yes.
And big love to the Brown family.
Yep. Blessings.
Crown Prince of Reggae.
And thanks for Chris.
Of course, yes.
And
Debs.
Debs
Thank you.
Dooley.
Wanna come and rehearsal?
So to me.
No, you never rehearse. That's the problem.
We soon come. What's on the episode?